We are progressing on our hadiths, Yoruba proverbs with English interpretation. Like I've said, it helps us to be wise and it helps our words to be concise and helps our words to achieve the purpose of we speaking them. Àìtó eyín ká là ń dọwọ́ bò ó. Àìtó eyín ká là ń dọwọ́ bò ó. Which means it is when you are not up to a stage. That is why you will be ashamed of it. Old people, as we know, as they grow old, their teeth begin to pull out. For some people whose teeth pull out while they are still quite young, average age, 40, 45, 50, they will be ashamed and they will want to cover their mouth so that people will not be feeling like, how come your teeth are all gone? But when you're around 90 and all your teeth are out, it's a pride because it's a sign of old age. And you won't really mind who looks at you. That's why Yoruba says, Àìtó Landowobo, which is when you are not up to a stage for doing something. That is why when you do it, you'll be ashamed. For example, a young teenage girl who gets pregnant will definitely cover and want to hide because she has not reached the stage of getting pregnant. But if a married woman gets pregnant, there won't be any need to cover anything. Àìtó Landowobo. A ní kí arúgbó kó bá wa gbọ́mọ lọ́wọ́ ó lóun ò léyín. A ní kárúgbó kó bá wa gbọ́mọ dání ó lóun ò léyín sáà ní kó pàjẹ́ ni. A ní kárúgbó kó bá wa gbọ́mọ dání ó lóun ò léyín sáà ní kó pàjẹ́ ni. This adage is used to chide people who give lame excuses, inappropriate excuses. Just like when you say do this thing and they say because of this rain is falling, I can't go out, I can't help you, giving lame excuses. It is used to tell people that if you know you can't do something, speak straight. Don't give us unnecessary excuse. Say an old woman should help us to carry a child. She says, I don't have a teeth.